Everyone, my name is Saksham Dixit and this is my channel Pentest Diaries. So today I'll make a different type of video, and this is a outage. Everyone is seeing it right now. Multiple organizations are affected with this, so I'll just gather the information about it and what about the look around for it. I'll try to make the video for it so that if a person can try this possibility, they can try with that. This is a solution already provided by the CrowdStrike, so you can use this. So how exactly the things is happening exactly over there itself, so I'll just give an idea about it and then I'll give it a proper solution for it. Affected organization, couple of organization, I just name it so far. What I'm getting it from the multiple news is countries. I'll try to get it covered in this video itself. Okay, so what's the problem is it that we have to discuss first. So there is an outage happen just because of the Microsoft Windows 10, or I can say that it's Windows 11 also. So what exactly is happening in that? There is a patch will be pushed by the Microsoft, and that having a CrowdStrike updated feature inside of it. So CrowdStrike have something pushed, and that to be get it pushed to all the user systems. And if the user have updated that version, like whatever the release version they have released it of Microsoft, if they have patched, if they have pushed those versions, then at that time it includes the CrowdStrike that appropriate stuff which they have added that, and just because of that only your screen is showing when you're trying to get it started your machine. At that time you're seeing a blue screen on your machine at the time, and when it's going to a process of just recovering that, when it's get completed 100%, it's again restarting the machine and it's going to the same phase. So your system is continuously restarting, just get it update that recovery phase to 100 and then again going for the restart. So that's a loop process happening, and this is just because of, as it's already confirmed by CrowdStrike, like they have pushed something of their release, they have pushed it from their side for the Microsoft machines, and just because of that only something has happened. As it's in the investigation phase itself, they're willing to roll back to the previous version, so they have already preferred with that. In the meantime, they have provided one of the workaround for it, so if a person can handle their machine, they can go for the workaround and they can solve the problem. I know it's not a solution faster for it, like if we're talking about the bigger organizations, couple of guys are not aware about these things. So this is one of the thing, like this workaround is already be published, it's already be tweeted by CrowdStrike. They wanted that to be get it solved and multiple machines to be get it started. So what exactly is it, we'll just see that. So this is the overall problem which I just try to get it explain you about it, and it will impact, like in India I can say that at 10:20 I just have get the information about it. At 10:20 onwards the machines is getting restarting. It impact the lot of organization in India itself. I'll talk about the IT industry, airlines industries, banks, stocks, everywhere it will impact. Wheresoever the windows get they are utilizing that and they have updated that patch itself, that patch is impacting a lot to them. So everyone is seeing this screen. This is couple of guys is calling as a death screen itself also. So that is one of the thing. So you will just see about the affected organization right now. So these are the affected organization of banks. I can say that that's one of the thing, a financial institution, airlines, TV stations, health systems in a country around the world that rely on Office 365 itself, they are impacted right now. Thousands of flights and the trains also being impacted, like that's creating a problem even for that the US and Europe. They have just landed their planes, they even the trains they are not running it just because they don't have a control on it. So as the systems is completely shut down or it's in a recovery phase, they are not having any accessibility of it. So everything they're trying to do it manually. So even in India itself, in couple of airlines, they are giving a call to the customers and telling them just reach to airport in advance 4 to 5 hours before, so that at least manually we can help you on out, as we don't have the systems right now working for us. So manually we'll try to allow you to go inside of that, and if it's an emergency over there itself, then definitely you have to go for that. What exactly the impacted organization in India? It's Indigo, Akasa, SpiceJet Airlines. These are the airlines. Couple of banks also affected. I'm not naming any bank right now over here itself, but couple of banks are impacted with that. Since morning itself they are facing it. It's almost more than 4 hours, and still they are just trying to solve the problem. It says workaround is one of the things which you can propose it, but that's not at all be a solution appropriate. You just have to take it, like that is the point is raised by a couple of guys, like if this is impacting an enterprise environment and multiple things is shut it down completely, like there is look around for it or not. Like it's not possible, like for a system administrator to roll out the whole stuff in a minute or an hour itself. So that is also one of the problem. These are the countries which are affected with that. So India is one of the things, as I'm studying in India, and Japan, Canada, Australia is impacted. Australia impacted a lot other than other countries. They have a major problem of that outage. US also having a problem, Europe also having a problem, many other countries. So these are the countries which I can say that right now is impacted with that outage. This is a workaround for it. What you have to do, you simply have to on your machine, if you're seeing that screen, you simply have to try forcing your Windows to go to the safe mode. Once you're aware about the safe mode is the mode where your machine will work on a minimum resources. It going to the save mode itself or to the Windows recovery environment. Then in that case you have to go to this section, this directory over here itself. You simply have to locate this file and delete it. So this is the file which is creating a problem for you, and you're seeing a blue screen. So you simply have to delete this file, and then you have to restart the machine and make it running normally. By that way you can boot your machine and you can able to access it, and your window will be working fine for it. So this is the only file which you have to delete it, go to the save mode, and then after deleting that file you have to boot your machine normally. So this is all about the thing which I think I just have to share it with you itself on an urgent basis. I just get that information from the news and couple of days itself. No one have the real issue about it. What actually, like, everyone is saying that it's just because of the patch they have pushed it, then really just a patch itself or something else is happening over there itself. We just get that information later phase itself. So look around for it. Meantime we can do it, the stuff for it. Thankfully on my system I have not updated my machine with that latest patch. That was the reason when my machine is working, I can able to shoot the video. Otherwise even my system is not working. So that's the reason behind it. So I hope you like this video, and this is an instant video. I just shoot it from my side with that information which I'm getting from internet. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.